tacticals, Proxmine kills, and gas kills. And then I'm done with season 1.
I don't even know what gun I should bring.
Here's Gallo, Ring of Fire.
Alright.
Easiest option.
I'll just keep this all in one recording and split it up. And then just send me like the link to the if it's a YouTube video, Muggin. Make sure that your video is
it. No,
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay.
Make sure your video is public or unlisted, alright, so.
Yeah.
The most editing you're gonna have to do is just trim it so the gameplay is not extremely long and showing your lobby and everything.
I don't think that matters. They don't really care about that.
Why not, but just...
Yeah, I'll just post it public anyway.
Yeah, then just send me the link so I can when I upload it.
Yeah. Are we just going to like round 5?
Yeah, just beat round 5. Oh my god, there's so many jackals.
Let's get moving, people. Recon the site, eliminate all hostiles.
Oh, you
Forgot, we don't really... I'm not even... I was like trying to speedrun or something.
Want to do all the no records first?
This is quite the Charlie Foxtrot. Nazi
I guess.
dimensional gateways, the undead. Shit, it must be Christmas. We should buy lottery tickets. Sources say this place is ground zero. What's happening around the world right now? It all started here.
Oh, crap.
Team, just find a way in.
US ping is absolutely disgusting for me.
Or is it like 100 something?
I haven't got a clue what it is. It feels disgusting.
What is it at?
I don't know. Can you check it?
Yeah, you can pause the game and check it.
150.
Oh.
Mine's even higher. I'm literally US as
Mine's
well.
going from like 80 to 200.
I'm not lagging, but it says my ping is really freaking high.
Same.
Like if you shoot something, does it take a long time to for it to
It takes like maybe like a half a second, but it's not the greatest lag in the world. Yeah.
Yeah, I only really notice it when I'm shooting them. It's like a bit of a delay.
Where's my mouse? What? Hello? Where's my mouse? There you go. It's just complete round 5.
I'm back.
Oh.
Oh no, it's complete round 5. How will you survive?
Oh, no.
It made the Gallo way too good.
Yeah, it's just great.
I guarantee if you let a zombie in the map, you'll get a drop right now. I can not 100% guarantee it.
Yeah, we got it. Like literally the first zombie I killed.
Yeah.
How long does it take them to post it on the leaderboards?
Yeah.
Once you've submitted it.
However long their dumbass takes.
Oh, we're just going for round
What are
5.
you talking about, eh?
Just talking about ZWR.
Bro, I submitted a game.